in parapet seasoning to cook the fish for this lunch. However, how the fish and look at us, he felt pity. He not kill the fish, was a fish, a very, very beautiful. In the next day, as usual, he went to fish again. But this time, he didn't catch any fish. He went to home empty-handed. Remember, he went to fish again. He went to fish previous day. He planned to cook it. So he ran to come back. He looked into the bucket. Nothing fish. Where are my fish? Hello, where are my fish? Nothing. Instead, he looked a beautiful girl sitting in the kitchen. Who are you? Asked the fisherman. I was the fish, replied the girl. What, you fish? What do you mean? Asked the fisherman. I was the fish. You are joking. You not came yesterday. So, I'm happy to do anything, replied the girl. I live alone. I don't have family. You want my babe? Okay. Repeat the girl. But you promised me. You not tell me origin. You tell me origin helping. The fisherman and the girl then married. After 1 year, he had the baby boy named Samo. Samo playing every day with friends. One day was asked to mother to be his lunch father. On the way to the river, Samo with friends and playing. Friends, I'm playing. Tired and hungry, the father come back to home. On the way, the father saw to Samo. Samo, where have you been? You're not supposed to eat my lunch. I'm sorry, Dad. I eat your lunch. I eat your lunch. With friends. Replied Samo. What? You eat my lunch? You know, you forbid me. Do you know that? Asked the fisherman. But I'm hungry, Dad. Replied the Samo. What? You're hungry? I'm not hungry for you. Dumb son of a beast. Come here forever. The Samo father and the took control of himself. He not say like to Samo. Samo pray and round to back row. Mom! Mom! Where are you, Mom? I'm here, Samo. Why? I'm to say, Father. I'm so fish. What's the Samo mother said and cried to broken promise to father. Samo, run to uphill now. Yes, mom. The Samo ran to uphill. That day, the sky darker and bright over. The Samo father and all the village that the top legend village made it Toba Lake and stayed like Samo and named Samo Circus Line. And the last, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.